today. I have the Airsoft MP40, I think. Yes. I think this is Cyma one. It's from Taiwan Gun. And just have adjustable stock, which is perfect for it. But I like it better without that, so I'll show you how to put the battery in and then shooting. So here is the gun. You have to fold this out when you're doing it. And then there's this lever right here. You just go like this. Fold this and you turn it. Pull it apart like that. Here's the battery. It came with, I think it's an 8.4. You plug it right in here. And you just shove it in there like that. Or like this. And then just shove this back on. That, and then you turn this, twist it like that. Then the mag, here's the mag. You need a speed loader. So you just put it in like this. This only holds like 50, so not that much. And you just can feel for it when it's like done. You can't shove any more in, so there's that. And you have to make sure, because this, I don't know if you can see, you have to line it up with the mag. So that's how you put the battery in the gun and how to load the magazine. Well, I guess you will show it outside. So it's all metal, except for like the handle grip is plastic, and this leather strap I have to buy separately. So yeah, but I've used this and there's some like paint that's been coming off, but this is plastic. What else? Oh yeah, the hop. So this is how you switch right here. You switch it from like that's full auto, and this is just and that's just single up. So yeah, so here's the hop up. That's how you tell you. So you go like this, and push this hand and this lever, and then that's where the hop up is right here. You can just adjust it as you wish. Okay, but now we can do. So here's shooting it. And then full auto. There's that's how it fired. Sounds really nice and fast. Yeah, so the whole review of the MP40. German wood. And then you just, this is also